Ever wondered why healthy eating is such a big deal? It's not just a passing trend. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables is crucial for our well-being. These nature's candies are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that boost our overall health. They help fortify our immune system, improve digestion, and even enhance our skin's glow. So, it's high time we start incorporating them into our daily meals. One of the easiest ways to consume these nutrient-packed foods is by making a delicious smoothie. Today you'll learn how to whip up a healthy green smoothie in no time. This smoothie is not just vibrant in color, but also in taste and nutritional value. Let's get started with the preparation of our ingredients. First up, we have spinach and kale, two leafy greens that are powerhouses of nutrients. Ensure these are washed and ready. Next, we have bananas. Remember to choose ripe bananas for that natural sweetness and creaminess. Then we have an apple, which adds a refreshing crunch to our smoothie. Make sure to de-seed and chop it into small pieces. Lastly, we have almond milk, a dairy-free alternative that brings all our ingredients together. Now, onto the blending process. Start by adding the spinach and kale to your blender. Follow this with the bananas and apple pieces. Pour in the almond milk last. This sequence ensures the leafy greens are well broken down, making your smoothie smoother. Begin blending at a low speed, then gradually increase it. This helps to achieve a smooth and even consistency. If it's too thick, feel free to add a bit more almond milk. If it's too thin, toss in some more banana or even a handful of ice cubes. Once your smoothie has reached your preferred consistency, pour it into a glass and voila! And there you have it, a green smoothie packed with nutrients ready in just a few minutes. Just to recap the process, we began with the preparation of our fresh, nutrient-dense ingredients. We thoroughly washed and chopped our leafy greens, consisting of spinach and kale, both rich in vitamins and fiber. Next, we prepared our fruits, an apple for a sweet crunch and a ripe banana for creaminess, both packing a punch of essential nutrients. We also included a squeeze of lemon for its detoxifying properties and a hint of ginger for its anti-inflammatory benefits. We then combined all these ingredients in a blender, along with a cup of almond milk for its low-calorie count and a spoonful of chia seeds for their omega-3 fatty acids. We blended until smooth, creating a refreshing and healthy green smoothie. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. So make this green smoothie a part of your daily routine and watch your health transform.